Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna get ready together. This is gonna be a Valentine's Day inspired hair and makeup tutorial. So we're gonna start it off with the hair first. I'm gonna be using this Kiss comb straightener. It's basically a quick and easy styling tool that detangles and straightens your hair all at once. So the comb features ionic plates that leave your hair shiny and silky. And this comb totally works on both long and short hair. So basically what you want to do is just turn on the power button, adjust the heat to whatever you're comfortable with. If you have more like coarse hair or curlier hair, then obviously you want to adjust the heat higher. And then from there you want to wait 5 minutes and then you can go ahead and get started with the hair. So as you can see here, I'm just taking little sections of hair at a time. And then what I like to do is take it from underneath and just comb it slowly, making sure that the heat is distributing all throughout the hair from the root to the ends of your hair. So you just want to repeat this process all over your hair. Basically, honestly, this is so easy. It makes life so much easier because it is a comb and a straightener all at once, so you don't really need to comb your hair. So this is the final result. I love that my hair is straight, but it's not flat and it's still voluminous. Thank you so much, Kiss, for partnering up with me for this portion of the video. So now let's move on to the makeup. To prime the face, I'm going to be using my favorite Too Faced Hangover Primer. And just excuse my voice, I'm super stuffy right now. I've been sick. And then next, I'm using my favorite JCat primer spray in Rose. And then this new JCat Aqua Glow, I believe the color is Moonlight. I just put that on the highest points of my face just to give me a little bit of glow. And then just blend it out with my fingers. Next, we're going into my favorite drugstore foundation right now, Superstay Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline in number 220. And I'm just going to blend that out with my LA Girl beauty sponge. So now moving on to this palette. You don't really have to use this palette. You can use whatever you have. I'm just using basic brown colors, but this is the Aphrodite palette from Bad Habit. And I'm just taking that crease color, like a nice medium brown color, onto the crease. And then taking this like more orangey color also into the crease, but a little lower than our first one. We're just going to build up the color, and we're just going to keep going back and forth with shield wiper motion. And then, you know, just go back to your crease blending brush and just blend everything together. And then I'm taking this darker brown color and I'm just focusing that on the outer corner just to deepen up the look a little bit more. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, just half of my crease, with my concealer. I like to do this just to make the look a little more clean, a little more put together. And then this is my favorite part. This is the JCat Press Metal Chrome Eye Mousse in Chrome Galaxy. It's so freaking pretty, you guys. Oops, sorry, excuse my phone. And then for lashes, of course, my favorite Karma lashes from my lash box. I will leave the link down below. And use code LOVEMELIKEYOUDO. Tomorrow is the last day to get 10% off. So for concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, and then just set everything with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So, you know, nothing moves around, nothing creases. And I'm moving on to bronzer. You guys already know this. Catrice Cosmetics in Sun Glow Bronzer. You can find this at Ulta or Ulta.com, or I think CatriceCosmetics.com too. And I'm using a Zoeva 127 brush to apply this. And then using my Wet n Wild blush. This is like a peachy pink blush. I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. And then with my Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight the face like super crazily. To intensify this, you can also spray your brush with a, you know, makeup setting spray. That's what I did here. I didn't show it in the clip, in the video, but that's what I did, and it made it 10 times more intense. So going back to the Aphrodite Bad Habit palette, just running those colors down there and then highlighting my inner corner. And then I'm using my LA Girl lip liner. I forgot the name, but I will leave it down below. to line my lips. And then for liquid lipstick, I'm using the Flower Beauty matte liquid lipstick in Scarlet Letter. This is such a pretty red color. But yeah guys, that's it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.